Let's see. Oh, kind of. Something's wrong. Hold on. Hold on one darn minute.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. There we go. Okay, cool. So, welcome. We are going to explore some coding games. I have a couple, but I do really want to increase the uh the amount I have with time. So, hold on, my little avatar is a little buggy. Little buggy. Meow, 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 meow. Why? Why are you doing this now? Hold on. Meow. Okay. Uh, I don't move my mouth very much when I speak. So the camera's like, when do I make your mouth move? So look, I did a thing. I got an avatar now. These two thing. It might help me just stream more. I think. Not sure. At least don't want to be on camera all the time. Sometimes I just want to kind of chill. Uh, eye, my right eye. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh wait, what are you doing? Uh, uh, why won't it close when I blink? Oh, I can't even look at it because when I blink or close my eyes, it um. Now it's fine. Something like that. Anyway, so all right, let's do the thing. Let's see what we have. I also want to set up for chat. You can join in, and we can take a look around. So I've got a couple already. I'm a very big fan of Greyhack. Been playing that for a bit. Drive programming. It's been a while. I kind of want to do some puzzles, so maybe we'll start with that. Split, pretty intense. I saw someone play it before, and I kind of want to do that. It's a little gory though, a little bit. TIS 100. I've always really wanted to learn assembly, but that's like high level stuff or technically low level stuff. And it's very difficult. Probably not the first one to start with. And then this one's more of like AI stuff. Less programming, more logic. So, yeah, maybe. Maybe. Let's see. I wanted to look around too. Let me see what's on store. Oops. Hello. I did a little research. Shenzhen IO. Let's take a look at that one. What's that about? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I have it on my wish list. That one was actually pretty sick. Very much like logic, circuitry. What? I can make a game that's cards? Solitaire? That's cool. Hmm. Sending down signals through chips to create software. That sounds pretty cool. So that's one of them. What's the BBS? BBS, no. Zachtronics? Whoa. Whoa. Quantum pulse. Ooh. Oh, another assembly. Okay, okay. QP2A. Maybe they changed their name. Let me add that to wish list. They have a demo out too. Whoa. The plotter. RAM. Ooh. Oh, I really like this one. Hmm. And it comes with a manual. Anytime you have a game that comes with a manual, you're in for a treat. Let's see. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Today's puzzle, Quark, Computing Machinery Conference. Hackers stealing bank codes. Anyone else scared to go out and vote? Dang. Okay. Interesting. Hmm. Completing this challenge, you have earned silver. Yay. Stars. And then you can also build a solitaire game or something like it. It's interesting. Hmm. Okay. Okay. That's another. Gotta try it one day. Oh, last call BBS. Oh, ooh. What in the? This is sick, actually. What? What? You get to build your own toys and then control them and circuitize them? Dude. Yeah, this one looks good too. Looks like a lot of process. Is there a manual? That's so cool. Food court. Food court. What? You make a game inside of a game? Okay. All right. Sounds cool. Interesting. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Hmm. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? Boolean. What is it? Boolean. Do 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 do. Oh, yeah, just Boolean. Hmm. Ooh, okay. Now we're dealing with the cop's eye. We got some gates, got some pathways, ores. Very, very puzzly on this one. Whoa. Whoa. Creating a timer. Not a timer, a LED display. So you can like put numbers in this little box by activating certain lights based on crazy logic. Whoa, I like that. Been a while since I've been playing with gates. Huh? A swirl. Hmm. Oh, that's a wish list. So I'll be collecting these in the future. For now, let's see. Let's go back to collections. Let's do split. Wanna do the split. What else I wanna change? Yeah, HD cap. Do a little audio. Activate some security. 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 Yes. Okay. Ah, all right, all right, all right. Loading, 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 loading. I can't hear on my end. What happened? Okay, cool. Right, right. Let's see, let's see. Where's my mouse? Where's my mouse? I'll go up and... Oh, no mouse? Alright. Seems fancy. I guess. Like fancy means no mouse. Loading, loading. Load room. Hello. Integrated megatrends. Booting up. Okay. Cask OS. Cask. Cask. It's a fun word. Oh, duh. Uh, can't delete backwards. Uh, smack my face on the board? Okay. Yep, just totally random digits and stuff. I don't even know what I typed. Victor is now AFK. Sarah says, let me know as soon as you get the case. Let's get real close here. Alright. Okay. Oh, I'm not even typing. Wait a second. Ha. Space. I'm just gonna, I guess, hit some buttons on the keyboard. Have it now, you dare. It's gonna type for me, I guess. Yeah. Is this the same one as in the photographs? Sarah is typing. Let's go, Sarah. Nope. Old portable of what they used to have in the engine. I just need you to send me transfer ID after you run the hardware, like we talked about. Running hardware, some sort of transfer ID, okay. Like we talked about, I thought we'll be working on the latest model. The back end is mostly the same. Fuck that. I don't have experience with this kit. I'm out. Okay. Alright. You know it's too late for that. Since when are you scared of death? Oh, okay, okay. Death is the least of my worries. Being dragged into the facility is what scares me. What? What facility? What are we doing here? Okay, listen. Sarah says, yes, it's a familiar plate, a familiar piece, but its purpose is the same. More than likely, the older models used the same code base. The front end was the main improvement, always has been. Victor is no longer AFK. Welcome in, Victor. And you are very remote. How long did it take us to crack a newer model? 10 minutes. I trust we'll have this one open just as fast. Okay. So I had her take, Victor says, so I had her take the LK912 field kit instead. He also says it handles requests off an older server. Everything else is relatively the same. I guess I'll see from the config. Alright. Victor is typing. It's the reason you couldn't spoof the handshake on the newer one. Guess they patched it. Once it connects to the server and the beacon goes off, you have around 15 minutes. We'll keep you posted. We can pull the local files from it beforehand. There's really nothing to worry about. And to be clear, this isn't me disregarding the stakes. I've worked with the hardware designer. We're chilling. Can I come and chill? What are you guys doing? Playing some Super Smash Bros? I'm down for some Super Smash Bros. Okay. Alright. Let's do it, I guess. We are hacking into an older server, taking a model, taking some files. So we doing this or not? Fuck it. Is that a yes? Oh, I'm Axel, by the way. Apparently. And I'm guessing everyone has their way out now. I'm good. Same. Oh, what's my way out? What about you, Axel? Oh, I have a way out. Oh, ooh, oh, well, sorry, YouTube. Uh, we may have a problem. Let's get started then. Boot it up and send me the LFS ID from the field kit's files. Since it's an older kit, the local files shouldn't be protected. You should be able to connect to the field kit and copy them. LFS ID should be somewhere in the config folder once you've got the files from the kit. Hold Alt to distance yourself. Oh, okay. Whoa. Hello. What? What? Your mind is at ease. Key thoughts are represented visually in the environment. Acknowledge them at any time by typing. Unknown hardware. I'm literally just typing text on the screen. Oh, steady now. Latch, egg, and then second. What am I doing? What's in there? Ooh, lights. What's in? Oh. Cartography? What? Okay, I don't know what that does. That's great. What am I doing? LS should be somewhere in the config folder. Alright, so we're in a command prompt. Users logged in 1. Memory usage 40%. IP address. Okay. Alright, so we're looking for configurations. Let's see. CD utils ls. File finality PHP. GCC. We're in a Linux system. Why is console? Why does it say command prompt if we're in a GCC environment, which is normally on a Linux system? At least it runs locally. What's OS probes? What can we do with this? Oh. It's right there. Alright, well. DHCPCD is for DNS type of configuration. DPKG is for package management. None of these are things I can run right now? GCC? Can I compile? No, I guess not. Alright, well. Games? Ooh. Really? Can I run these? Cunning Gauntlet 2D.sh. Hold on. / to run stuff. Don't forget about that. No. Oh, maybe it won't let me right now. Okay, hold on. I have a task in hand. Alright, fine. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait. No, this is the root. This doesn't sound like a root, so I must be logged in with the basic user. Otherwise, I'd have access to more files. Alright, CD tools. Quick notes. Whole no mounter. Alright, well, what am I? I can look at a window outside, but what is that gonna do? Since it's an older kit, the local files shouldn't be protected. You should be able to connect to the field kit and copy them. Is this the field kit? Like, what is this big old case of lights and moving parts? Alright, well. Let's see. Oh, we have an IRC point. How about downloads? Authentic keygen.exe. Yeah, we're in the Windows system or something. Nope. Okay, so help. Okay, clear probe. Search for local files. Probe config. Oh. Interesting. Okay, so I probed, found local devices with iterative ping. Mobile phone, audio system, portable radio, field kit. Okay, connect to a local device using its UMN, unique machine number. So the field kit is what we're talking about. So let's connect 3478. Connecting. Okay. Waiting for user input. Okay, so establish connection. Available commands. Connect to remote KCOM server. Update firmware credentials. Copy unprotected files to emulated mount directory. Configure settings. Okay, so 3. Gotta copy some files. Failed to transfer unprotected files. This device unique number is not registered. Okay. So we gotta configure some devices. Access denied. I can't configure it. Update firmware credentials. Can I talk to them? What's my current machine ID? Do I have it somewhere? But, oh, okay, I'm there. Can't. Registered in the trusted device list at tools home mounter trusted devices.data. Edit the trusted devices list at the appropriate directory using nano. Okay, nano is a common command prompt editor. Alright. So I have to configure this number 3476 for the machine to let it transfer the files by going to this location. Alright, so let's say nano h tools whole mounter trusted devices.data. Unable to edit due to file not existing in the active directory. Okay, let's do it manually. We'll go to tools, whole mounter, readme. Okay, so cat readme.txt. Okay, nano readme.txt. Do unsupported full file format or read out. Open it with open readme. These are weird commands. Open is not a real command, but okay. Okay, so home mounter mounts and mounts disks and disk images, VDI, V virtual disks, ISOs 2, cool, HFS, that contain low-level unprotected files. Connect to a local device using its UMN, custom prompt pointing to the emulated mount, changelog. SDK mount hotfix, updated SDK mount error, added SDK mount if a fuse fails, fixed issue that prevented entering partitions. Alright, that's great. Is it necessary to know all this? Trusted, okay. This device must be manually registered. The UMN, which was 3 something. What was it? 3478, I think it was. Okay, so nano. Oh wait, hold on. Touch. Uh, trusted devices. Data is now recognized as the name of the commandlet function. Okay. Open nano. Probe connect help print. Open a file with supported format. Trusted devices. Data. Due to RO access. I've been trying. Nano trusted devices data. Oh, I have to be literally local on the directory to do this. All right. All right. 3, 4, 7, 8. Oh, I really hope that's the one. All right. And Control X. Save changes. Yes. Okay. Connect 3, 4, 7, 8. Oh no. Let me probe again. I messed up the number. 3476. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Hold on. 3476. And then connect 3476. So we added the trusted devices. Copy unprotected files. There we go. Beginning transfer. Nice. Config. There it is. Config that something. Copying, pasting. Okay. I did it. Holy shit. Victor says what? I got access to the security garage doors. Okay. They can just override it. Stop messing around. Uh-oh. Still buy us some time though. Are you sure? How many trucks are there? At least 200? Imagine having a hangar like that and you don't air gap the network. The entire place is held up by duct tape, you'd be surprised. I've worked here longer than you. Oh, they're internal. Am I supposed to be jealous now? Okay. Cut the chit chat. We got a mission to do. What do you mean? You know what I mean. Well, at least I didn't write interrogation presets. Oh. They work on engine code, which is your branch. Every single person here, Sarah says, every single person, including you, is going to hell. Victor, I think we're already in hell. I mean, whatever, let's just get it over with, Sarah says. Okay. How's it looking, Axel? Did you get the ID from the config? Yeah. Let me type. Yes, 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 yes. Typey, typey, typey. I mean, okay. Is there text on that window? Okay. I did. Do I look at it? Do I? Oh, okay. Yes, but let's see where it was. It's emulated, right? Yeah, emulated. CD emulated. CD 3476. Change directory, by the way, CD. That's what it stands for. LS is for list system, or just list. Config. Open config. Oh, it's a directory. Okay. CD config. System config JSON. Open system config.json. Not quite what a JSON looks like, but okay. Device type, low latency OS version. Yes. Got it. 958.578. Is that what? Uh-huh. Low latency file streaming ID. Integer. Thanks. What do you think? Looking at the config right now. Shit is ancient. It's running KCOM. Are there still servers handling requests? The floor has power. Some guy told me they're still running. Did he ask you for your name? Was he suspicious? Sarah says no, but he did ask for my number? Great. I'll need a sheet of active inmate registrations and a schematic of the KCOM server junction to spoof the handshake. Fair. Disguise the handshake. Disguise the communication between the network packets. Okay. So, okay. Oh, sheet of active. Okay, so let's see. Is there anything else? Port modules, container documentation presets. Logs? Maybe logs is gonna have something. Device log. We're in a server, but I'm not sure what kind of server we're in. It kind of feels like database of inmates. Are we in a prison? Are we hacking into a prison? Open diagnostic report? Got PDF on it. That's a weird place to put a PDF. Oh, I got a type one. Authorization keygen. I can handle. I do remember that somewhere. Okay, so you told me what to do. I got the schematic. Which one do you mean? The one with 7 columns, inmate numbers, etc. Receiving schematic from Victor. Sounds good. Got the KCOM schematic for you here. Sarah's the worm ready to go. Did you route the trace to the field kit? Oh, we're throwing in a worm. Receiving file AUI.cve. Yeah, the worm is good to go. And we're all set, Axel. Let me know when you connect to the server and I'll see whether to catch it. We're going to get the trace, one can hope. I have the REF input for the key ready and a bit, Axel. Figured out a new crack. Thanks. The KCOM server key should let me in. So I got 2 files in downloads. What is this? Check your downloads if they got corrupted or not. But if the files look good, then you're set to get the auth key generated. Okay, let's check the downloads. Open AUI 2068.cve. Aha. Ooh. There's the inmates. Gender, registration number, duration 62 years. Inmate number, surname. Very weird. Got the REF number for the gen here, 80204. So, okay. What is that? Key gen. toolkit. Hmm? Toolkit, drag cut, GCC. I swear it was in tools. Hole mounter, quick notes. Updater contacts, plugins, themes, function list. Rust, NSIS, config, override map, anchor, universe basic. Interesting. I opened rust.xml. Nano rust.xml. What? Huh? Why so many files I can't do anything with? It's not right. It's not right. Alright. Alright, fine. CD hole mounter, we know that one's already been used. Oh, there's a SH now. Resources. Emulator. No. Man, what was that? Downloads? Schematic. Oh, it popped up again. Alright, off. Keygen. I didn't see it earlier. Oh, open. Off keygen. Uh-huh. So 80204. Failed. No prerequisite arguments are set up. Set up prerequisite arguments. The required arguments or inputs for the generator are outlined in the documentation depending on the hardware that the key is generated. Waiting for prerequisites. Authgen 8204. 8204. Generate. No? No, failed with the input. Not enough terms provided. Example 0. Oh! So 80204. Failed. Too many terms provided. Excuse me? Arg3. 3 arguments are involved. So waiting for prerequisite arguments. Arg0, 1, and 2. I put in 5. Each argument separated by a comma. Not good. Failed prerequisite arguments with the input. Too many arguments. Documentation. Arg1. Server address, unregistered inmate number. Oh, and reference input. Okay, so we're doing KCOM. So we need a server address, unregistered inmate number. Oh, okay. Server address, direct route, socket, union, admin credentials. Interesting. So we've got different access values based on what it is. And since we're doing KCOM, server key should let me in. Check your downloads if they corrupted or not. Wish I can get another tab in this. Not enough tabs in this world. What a gem here. REF reference number. Okay, so that's the ref input. Okay, so I should have a server address if I did the probe again. Look for the KCOM server. Am I looking at the field kit again? I think I'm looking at the field kit because we did unsecured files. We took this configuration. If they're unsecured, we don't need any special access credentials. But that doesn't mean we have access to the bigger picture. So I'm thinking 3476 unique machine server address. Unfortunately, that's a number. It's a unique number rather than a server address. All right, what else we have? Schematic. Open schematic 09.asc. Interesting. Oh, is this what a server? No. So this should be the physical server configuration. KCOM server racks 1 with 8-digit address. KCOM server racks 2 with 8-digit addresses. 2014 9985. Is that the IP? Technician and servers permanently out of order are marked X. Effective immediately. Any disagreement should be brought up with the administration. Okay. So there's a lot of them. We should be really just working in rack 1 because there's only 2 options available. And then maybe I'm assuming that's the particular address that we're looking at. They're just not formatting it with the IP dot format. They're using just separation. So the address we'll try, let's see, 18.36. I gotta write some notes down, otherwise I'll be going back and forth between these windows. So that's one address we can try. The other one is 83, 67, 28, 74. Okay, so those are the address values. The authentic key, which is the third argument, is 80204. So the address is first, authentication, then we gotta check AUI 2068.cve to find a unregistered NA inmate number. Sigourney Elaine. It's the only one. Oh, there's another one. Hoppington. Rowan Hoppington. There's 3 unregistered inmate number. So that, and then we have 3 options. So I'll do we have 294018. We have 294040. And we have 294046. 294046. Unless I messed up. Yeah, 4040 and 4046. Okay. Then let's try the key gen again. Okay, so now we can do the setup. We'll try 18.36.01.59. That's the address, comma, inmate register number 294018, and then the authentication gen number, whatever that was, 80204. Generate. My bricks are going to set up. I did. Oh, okay, so let's do that again. So then, why don't use points? 1836015 comma 294018 comma 80204 1 generating. Oh, okay. Oh, found local. Okay, nice. All right, so interesting. Found one local device with connection socket for a given authorization key. LP912 field kit. Okay, so if I probe, I'll find it now, I guess. Oh, that is the one that we've been trying to access. Okay, so does that mean we got something here? No? Looking outside. This thing. So I can technically keep going. I've got other numbers to use. So what if I set up another one for the other number I have? 83672874 294040 80204. Failed. The key already generated and stored in the buffer. Okay, so we don't want to keep going there. So then do I then connect to 3476? Okay, we have a local authorization token. Connect to remote KCOM server. Okay, I see. Failed to set up trace, no root access, failed to transfer privileges. No root access is now broadcasting its location. Backtracking. Beginning predetermined root user override. Taking common backdoor. Check common backdoor. Response failed. Predetermined root. Oh, we're trying to get in. Root force root user login. Oh, whoa, son. I can't move from the screen. What? Perpetuating? Do I type it? Okay. What the hell's going on? Destroy receipt. Root access secured. Success with Walker. Replacing old password Walker with PN1 automated printed content. Destroy the receipt immediately. New password confirmed. Beginning trace fraud setup on UMN. Disconnecting all other users. Setting up new guest user 518533481 with root privileges. Deleting logs. Trace fraud setup. Is no longer broadcasting its location. Disconnect. So there was a moment in time where we were broadcasting something. Not good. Okay, I got root access. New passes. Make it quick. They caught the trace. Yep, true. Victor, you see anything? This is not good. 4 trucks are firing up. Convoy is moving out quickly. Worm is running. Give it like 30 seconds. I see security running north to the facility. Anything south? Doesn't look like it. And then we're safe. This music doesn't sound safe. You have a read? Is it working? The macro centrifuge should have stopped by now, right? Macro centrifuge? Yes. It went down for a second, but it's back up. How the hell is the centrifuge still running? Nothing's changing. Victor says, give me a second. How far are the trucks? Can I make a run for it? No, just wait. Uh-oh. Run where? What about now? Centrifuge is steady at 98%. Then we're screwed. Let's run it again. If you're in the server by the time they get Axel, we're next. Victor says, it's too risky, Sarah. We might not get another chance. Shut the fuck up and let's get this over with. What are the stakes here, man? All they'll find is an old field kit, wiped discs, and some former tech hanging from the ceiling. You have no choice. They'll think I'm some present junkie, or preset junkie. I was expecting this. What's up, Boomer? Hit the 0 now? Well, if you like programming, maybe that's why. I'm not sure. Welcome in. But what do you mean hanging from the ceiling? Also, YouTube's been a little funky lately. It's my way out. If you don't like programming, then welcome in anyway. I do a lot of different games anyway. Today is the code game. It's my way out. What do you want me to say? No, it's not. What kind of games do you play? Boomer. Oh, well, good place to learn it. That's what I do. I teach. Today's just a little gamey day, but I teach mathematics, programming for beginners too, so don't feel intimidated. Your brain won't be destroyed. It will plug you in the machine. What machine? What am I? What? Hold on. What do you mean hanging from the ceiling? It's my way out. What do you want me to say? No, it's not. Your brain won't be destroyed. They will plug you in the machine. What does that mean? You're going to have to cripple your brain? Do you have any power tools, firearms? Trucks will be here soon now? Uh-oh. There's no easy way to say this, but you'll have to find another way. Oh. I don't like this. Sorry we fucked up Axel, but if we're going to try again, then we have to split. I have no other way out. What the hell? Your mind is in despair. Key thoughts must not be acknowledged quickly, or else you risk ending your life with an undesirable conclusion. Alright. Potential betrayal. Apt, shade, discreet, unorthodox, electronics. Just typing random stuff in, structure coming. And do is me by no. What is it, a typing test? Oh god. Don't do that. Not now. Brushless drill. Oh. Okay. Final evidence. The trucks are here. Oh. Ah. Object as. Oh. Oh, that's injury. Guess we gotta wipe our brain from all this. Do you have technology? No way. Drill is fucking dope. Oh, great. Lobotomy. Oh, God. Psychological barrier. Gruesome. Hold steady. Oh. No, dude. No, dude. I don't even want to look at this. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Don't look, YouTube. Oh my God. I can't even imagine what the hell. Okay. So we're here now. And now we're in the camera?
You check his
Oh.
vitals? Yeah, he's dead. Where the hell did he get all this hardware? Look. What? Brain is screwed. What the? How did he turn that off?
Keep driving. We're almost clear. Are you sure about all this? Okay, think about it. You have a choice between a noose and a screwdriver to the brain. Which one do you pick? The noose. So why didn't he use it? I don't know. Because somebody told him, God damn it. We weren't fast enough. Now they think we're in on it. They're gonna break us. They're gonna put us in the machine forever. We're the only trace. But we weren't in on it. I know. Some people have gone down in 20 years. It was him, but he wasn't alone. Wouldn't they go after the technicians first? The others? There is no trace. What part of this do you not understand? He short-circuited the damn hard drive. This is some random preset junkie we can find.
Yeah.
But they almost got the centrifuge. Our convoy is the only loose end. You know the truck is a tractor, right? Doesn't matter. They'll get us anyway. So we do it before they get us. With what? Pellet guns, blood trauma, a fucking screwdriver. We can't even take our helmets off. Driver? No.
You can't take their helmets off?
Scared. Since Corsicola Drive was gonna do me after I run you over this stupid prick. What about drowning? We can make it to the coast. That's important.
What universe is this? This is crazy.
The truck of the jack, right? Yeah. So what? So we jack up the front of the truck and drop it. Back 3 times. Burn 2 tires. Work. Yeah.
Oh, right. So they're paranoid as hell. They're in the middle of something. They're willing to go that far? Oh. Oh. That's unfortunate. What the hell kind of universe is this? A centrifuge. Old servers, technology. These guys are paranoid that they can't go in the guy's brain and figure out what. That was pretty sick. Like, cool sick and at the end sick. Hi. Okay. I liked that a lot though. It was too short. It was very short. How long was that? Like 25, 30 minutes? Well done though. Gives me a couple of shivers down my spine. Can't skip this? Oh, we can. Let's go. Ending 1 of 2? Oh. So there's another way around it. What about the other ending? Alright, let's try that again. This time, I guess he hangs himself? What's the continue go? Where are we continuing from? Oh, from the last checkpoint, I think. Let's see what the other ending's like. Your mind's in despair. Keep thoughts. So last time I did all the correct dialogue values. So what if I just screw everything up? Okay. Oh. Okay, so we hung ourselves this time. This means that they can recover the brain?
You check his vitals?
Yeah, he's dead.
Where the hell did he get all this hardware?
Come on. Help me move him.
Let's go.
This time we're in the we're in the driver's seat. Hello?
Centrifuge
Okay.
dropped to 40. Shit, really? I thought it was stable. It is now. They didn't account for the failsafe. Hey, I thought it was just him. I don't think so. Place had camo on the roof, a field kit, facility hardware. I think there's a crew. You really think one guy can knock down the centrifuge? Even for a second? Then why did he hang himself? Doesn't make sense. I guess they didn't know any better. Anyway, we'll find out soon enough. You think they'll break him? They will.
Okay. So that's where they will use the brain to basically figure out what happened. game. Love it. Intense, really short. Wished it was more. That's it for these. Alright, more programming games. Let's go. Kind of really feeling Grey Hack now. Alright, let's see. Hmm. Or Joy. I'm stuck between Joy of Programming or Grey Hack. Meeny, meeny, miny, Grey Hack. Let's go. Great game, by the way, if you haven't seen Grey Hack. It's a whole simulated environment where you can commit digital crimes in a game, obviously, because these things aren't legal. So, you know, keep your wits about you. Single player, single player and multiplayer mode has been deleted. Oh, changes in the last version. All right. Oh, we keep starting over. They keep making changes. All right, let's go. That's fine. All right, ChriaMIA. Computer name, Fado. Password, pass 123. Let's go. Start installation. So I guess we'll be starting over, and that means we get to learn all the things again. All right, first thing we got to do, we got to get Wi-Fi, but we got to hack it. I think everything should be locked. So means we got to open up a term. Let me see. Turn on the monitor mode on our WLAN card. Oh, start. Backwards. Start WLAN 0. Alright, so now it's in monitoring mode. Monitoring mode. We gotta do a little replay. Mess with the router, the wireless router. But hold on. We gotta pick one. IW list. No. What was the command for that? IW config? No. Ugh. IW list would be networks. Let me see what it was. Manual. Keep in mind you can always go here. Network commands. I did. What do you mean? Oh, right. I gotta put the actual. There it is. Okay. I gotta put the device I want to list it from. So IW list space WLAN 0. There's the networks around me. I will do air replay on VSSID. I want to get the best one, Levi K. So we got 1C, 5F, EC, 8D, 22 dB. I gotta need a B here. Throw in an ESSID for Levi underscore KS41H. And now we gather some packets. Let's explore while we wait. FTP sniffer, what sniffer does? Require parameters, leaves the terminal busy listening for outcoming connections. Interesting. What? I don't have a sniffer though. So that would be, it will capture all the, oh, we can run a sniffer on a hub or router and capture all the data that goes through it. That's sick. Okay. Need to download it online though. Server installers. We got a chat server, FTP server, HTTP server, repository, Reverse shell. Those are fun. Install a server to receive reverse shell connections. In addition, it is necessary to use the R shell interface. Install a server, basically transfer the file onto the server once we get in. So that will be the first thing. We need to basically get a bunch of different tools, let's say. Some tools for the arsenal of our network's cybersecurity rampage. Got a decipher, scan, lib, scan, router. Oh, true. All right, hold on. I think this should be, I'm gonna go with 15,000 packets. All right, so let's get 15,000 packets, then we'll crack this. Okay. File cap saved. Now we're gonna do air crack. File cap found. Password is Hicket B. All right, now we got connection. And we need to email. We need to get an email. So now we go from scratch. Let's get our mail. Set up our environment. We offer email. Great. ChriaMIA. Pass 1, 2, 3. Good, good. Sign in. ChriaMIA. Pass 1, 2, 3. Right? Oh no, I need the actual. Right? Open your mail client. I did though, but okay, I guess I gotta reopen it. And number one, hi, you don't know me. I monitor new users who register on remote machines like the one you're using. You may want privacy for some projects you are developing, or you may want to earn some money, like most people. If you're interested, I can give you access to my private server, but before that, I need you to do something for me. You can consider it a test. I need credentials of this email address. Okay. So we gotta grab an email address credentials. Let's do a little bit of background ambiance here. Let's see. All right. Get a little bit of that going. So mail client, leave a configuration file on the computer and it's encrypted. You will need that file to crack. So this is where we're going. We gotta grab the credentials for this email. In fact, let's do some notes. Always gotta do notes. We've got Bard whole live. Oh, I'm just gonna copy that. Copy, paste, copy, paste. All right, so this. Oh no, what? Hello? No, it didn't. All right, now it did. Okay. So we need to grab the credentials. We need the password for this email. You may have some legitimate tools, so I recommend you look for some in the shop. Right. So next is we go and get a bank account. Sure. Pass 1, 2, 3. It's a local network, so it's not a big deal. Great. Log in. Log in. We're poor. Congratulations. No monies. All right, then we go to the shop. We need some software. Let's see. All right, so we're gonna need Nmap to scan some network ports. I need to organize these thoroughly, so let's make a new folder with tools. Save Nmap. Displays the user accounts registered on a server. Alright. Take that too. There's the SSH server on a machine. HTTP server. Don't need that. Don't need FTP, don't need server. Don't need repository. Exploit report. Tool to report vulnerabilities in system libraries. Nah, we depend on vulnerabilities, so we're not reporting jack. Alright, so now that we're connected, I probably wanna... okay, let me see something real quick. Don't need this. Wait, is that source code? Hold up, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, we can look at the source code. Interesting. Oh, no way, we can look at all of these? Dude. What? Airmon has source code? Oh, this is gonna be good. Ping. Okay, okay. Interesting. So, monitor mode. Format output, computer network devices. Where's the loop for this? Hmm. Crypto Tools Airmon. Oh, really? Cryptools. So Airmon, even though there's a source code for it, it's actually just a straight up function that exists in Cryptools. Uh-huh, there they are. Oh, so I can make it an automated process. Decrypting, monitoring the network. Oh, in the SMTP user list. Okay. So it doesn't actually give me the big source code of Airmon. What about Nmap? Oh, this one's a little bit more. Okay. Well, let's keep going. First thing I probably want to do is move this back to my user bin. because I want to use Nmap locally. There we go. Without having to go into that folder. What's the network look like? I'm here. My IP address is 05. Got a camera over here. So there, oh, that's 16. That's, yeah, 16. All of them are 16 behind hubs. That's a weird network setup. Why would you put a hub in between another hub? That's extreme. Alright, so that's my local network. Nothing too crazy here, at least. But I will need this. I will need the scan land for the future. I'll leave that open here. We got a goal. Where's my notes? We need this location. First, let's ping it. Yeah, alright, so that is accessible. I gotta nmap into that. Okay. We got one port, SSH open. So that's a router. 199. This is a router. And there's a port on 22 that points towards another PC. It's kind of loud. Testing, 1, 2, 3. It's kind of loud. Yeah, it's a little bit extra. Testing, 1, 2, 3. It's kind of loud. Yeah, it's a little bit extra. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Yeah, it's a little bit extra. Better? I think it's better. Better? I think it's better. Okay, alright. Just a little audio test. It's a little bit annoying. Moppy, moppy. Oh, dun, dun, dun. Do I have enough tools yet? There are other shops. I actually gotta check a few more. Got hardware, CPU, no. I hate when all my bookmarks are gone. No. Feeling lucky? No. Hmm. What was that? What was that place? Police? Reports. Jobs. Made. No. Hackers. No. Dev. Interesting. Manual device search. I'll save that for later. Uh, okay. Hmm. Software? No. It's gotta be just in shop. But one of these links. Oh, it's all the same. Work. Nope. Let me see that again. They call it as reports, jobs. Yeah, jobs. Hmm. What about popular? Let's see. No. No, that's all from online play. God, there was this one place that I can get everything I need. What was it called? Exploit. No. Is it? No. Server? Services. Oh no, these are custom servers I can create. No. Actually, that's what the like dark web looks like. Super basic. That servers, tools, apps, and map? No. And cat? No. Hmm. Let's do SSH. But I need a user pass for that. True. Code? It's gotta be exploit. Libs. I think I can do libs. Libraries. No. Libraries. No. Lib. Oh, no. It's a freaking A. Hmm. Ugh. All right, well, let me see something. Forgot where I had to go. Hmm. Jeez, where is it? Gotta get more friggin' RAM. Oh, the script. No. Still back to servers. Not there. For some on the shop. I did though. So got Nmap, stocks, no, and hard drives. I feel like they changed this. Hmm. Hack shop? Hmm. They changed something. What about... No, it's the email. These are such basic programs, though. Why does it keep doing that? Hmm. I need scan router. Maybe I gotta be on the online mode. No. Hmm. This is odd. Okay, then. They definitely changed something. Maybe I can actually make them myself. Let's see. Uh-huh. Yeah, I probably could. Okay. I should be able to then compile scan router. Then I should be able to go to my tools, scan router, 199.285.222. Okay, so there we go. It's not bad. All right. Scan library. Metasploit. Oh, wait. I don't have that. True. Come on now. maybe gotta do a startup process here by doing a little fishing. No. Reverse shell. So let me see, maybe I can grab. Where's the reverse shell? Sniffer. And let's look up. No. Security, scan router, no. Aha. Let's grab that. Okay. Browser is useless. So source code for the reverse shell. Lib_r shell. Do I have that? Lib. What libraries I got? Net, init. I don't have that. Jeez. Hmm. Oh, if I don't have, then I can get. I can do that manually. Let's see. Oh, hold on. What's the. Huh. Well, let's just run this. R shell. Alright, so let's go back. No, actually, it's here. So run R shell. Path mirror missing. Not found on the server. Hmm. Where's the libraries at? It's not much. They do not give us much. Nmap, SNTP user, FTP. Install, host different programs. SSH server. We need to install on the other computer. But we're having an issue. Don't have this library right now. We cannot download it. Let me see. Okay, it's already there. So, oh wait, app get update. Not found. Yikes. Oh, what about repositories? No. Repo? Ah. Ah, no, that's just the police. Hmm. Hmm. Man, they really messed something up. Do not have access to as many things as I used to. So I can't set up a reverse shell because I don't have the R shell module. So that's not gonna work. Uh-huh. Can I fish this guy? No. No details on what his company is. Oh, but then again, let me see. Uh, what is the IP address of this? Hmm. Not gonna work with emails, but no. Then again, I have an IP here. Okay. Let's see. Hello, Bard Poivlivli. My name is Gothermit. I work a company name. I would say that's the company. For maintenance on installed machines, it'll connect to the server as soon as possible in order. Hmm. Oh, true. Nmap told me that. All right, let's see. Uh, okay. So I got almost everything. Oh man, they either made it more difficult or they forgot stuff. Can't scan routers. They need Metasploit. I can't actually scan router. There were no rules. They did. They did have rules though. No, I think they messed something up. We can't have all the sources like I normally do. Anyway, I think I'm done for now.